Yeah, hello guys. Grim here. Now this one's called Bischem. Bischem, Bes, B-E, the little hyphen thing above it, Chem. Well, we know what B-S means is spirit. Bird. Chem means bird. So yes, this is a bird spirit that we're dealing with here, guys. This is another just recording session because, well, they're spirits. We can't do nothing about it besides record them. No, yeah, I know it's been a bad month. It's November. What do you expect? Well, it implied to a number of Malaysian spirits. One of them is a jungle bird spirit that lives on the big branches, touching each other as the wind moves the branches. They make a sound, ee, which means the spirit is on the branch. If anyone passes underneath the branch, the bird spirit passes urine and scatters tiny poisonous feathers onto the interloper. These cause anyone that touch to become thin forever. Another bird spirit lives deep in the jungle and visits the villagers at night and makes the sound poke poke, which children are not allowed to repeat. If they do, spirit enters the house and prevents them from sleeping and makes them cry. Other bird spirits protect paddy fields from destructive animals, causes headaches and squeezing poses the children and causes convulsions, stealing the souls of the sleepers, and causes children to be born with teeth. Very dangerous spirit. Why do I say this? Well, you see, think about this. If a whole bunch of people got them to repeat the poke poke, these children, it would kill a whole village of children by preventing them from sleeping. The entire household. And the other one, poisonous feathers? Seriously? No cure for that if it's a spiritual poison type ordeal. Trust me. And, well, yeah, the one that protects the other one, that spirit protects the fields, yeah, that's more dangerous. Because, well, it causes headaches, sneezing, possesses little children, and causes convulsions, and steals the souls of the sleepers. Yeah, that the poke poke is very dangerous. So what's gonna happen is what we're going to do is we're gonna go there. We tell the man we're gonna go there and we're going to see if these creatures actually exist. So basically more recording. So we went there in this little farm village, little village somewhere. It's a farm village of sorts. Don't know the name. It was too long and too complicated. Did not want to even say that. So again, this is what the government had us do. We walk into this village and, well, 5 people from this village were took into a hospital on the main island. Main area. One of the major cities. Took the hospital because of convulsions. And a couple were even found dead. Not because of convulsions, but found dead. They never woke up. Now, I have no idea how to get rid of Malaysian spirits. We were just there to record it, and the government was going to take care of it. So we interviewed a kid or two, and one of them said yes. One of the kids did repeat what he was not supposed to repeat. His family was found dead in their sleep. And the other kids, yes, the ones that were in the hospital because of seizure-like convulsions, did repeat it as well. But they said that it was. But they told us that the person who said there was a person that they said let what it well, they wouldn't say what it was because they didn't want to happen to them. Let whatever it was out of a black box, and they left. The thing has been seen around the village multiple times, and children have been told by the adults to stay away from this spirit. We were going to set up recordings where they said they saw it previously, cameras and such like that. We did set up cameras. Nothing. We started investigating further, and one of the children said that he was awake one night and he saw the man come by and open the box, and he saw the creature go into the box, and the man closed the box. And he said the man comes by in the morning and takes the creature out at night, removes the creature from the village at night. He had been doing this for about 5 days. Every night, a family would wind up dead. And there were very few people left in this village. Well, I had Sarah go and check up. And check out what's going on and why would anybody want this village, this land. And she found out that there had been a man buying up land all around the area to build a factory. And each village had been plagued by, this said creature. When they said no. The police had an inkling who it might be, but they weren't really they really were wanting to get this person red-handed for doing this. And I thought, well, there's only one way to do this, and let's just set it up. And when we arrived in the village, it was noon. And the kid said he came by every night and picked the creature up. And the villagers have yet to sign the paper. Well, we had to catch this creature on tape, catch this creature on photos or video or something before we could turn this into the police. Before the police would handle it. So we did. So we set up the cameras hidden, out of view, by the field. Sure enough, the man pulled up in a black car. I'm not going to make a model, so I'm not going to attempt to that. Pulled up in a black car, and, well, what happened then? We caught him on camera. It was not nice. was not a nice sight what we saw, that man. He was an old man in a black suit, black hat, black sunglasses, black hat. But you could tell he was an elderly man by gray hair. Very white, grayish hair. Very skinny, very slender. He drove off. He got in the car and he drove off. We got the license plate and everything on camera. And it went to the police from there. And let the police handle it. They arrested the man 5 days later. And I was glad that they did. These villages will no longer have to worry about this elderly man and his bird ever again. With that said, we have one more case here, and we just got it, so I better get to it. Good luck, good night, God bless.